The position of an object does not change as time passes, it is said in rest. If the position of an object changes continuously as time passes, it is known as in motion. When an object goes from one point to another point, the total length of the path taken is called its distance, whereas the shortest distance between initial position and final position is called displacement. The displacement of any object has magnitude as well as direction. Quantity that has magnitude as well as direction is called vector quantity. Example: velocity, displacement, acceleration. And a quantity which has only magnitude but no direction is called scalar quantity, such as mass. The speed of an object is the distance covered by it per unit time. The velocity of an object is the displacement per unit time. In the morning, when you come to school by your own vehicle or by a school bus, initially when it was at rest, the velocity of your vehicle remains zero before it starts moving. When it starts moving, the velocity of the vehicle gradually increases, increasing or decreasing velocity with some increase or some decreased value of velocity. When you reach to school, on applying brakes, the velocity of your vehicle or your bus decreases gradually and then comes to rest. So the conclusion is here: increase in velocity of a moving object is known as acceleration. Decrease in velocity of any moving object is known as deceleration. Calculation of acceleration. Suppose a vehicle is moving with the velocity of 70 km per hour. It reduces its speed to 50 km per hour. Now, what is the difference between the initial and final velocity? That is 70 km per hour minus 50 km per hour. 20 km per hour is the difference, that is change in velocity. Suppose the time taken to reduce the velocity is 4 seconds. So the acceleration is change in velocity divided by time taken. Previously it was 70 km per hour. Now it is 50 km per hour. The time taken is 4 seconds to reduce the velocity. Thus the difference of velocity is 70 km per hour minus 50 km per hour. That's 20 km per hour is change in velocity, and the time taken is 4 seconds. So the acceleration is given by the formula change in velocity divided by time taken.